What's good? What's good? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Turbo. Currently sitting at 0.00879. We're up 5% on the day. Market cap 574 million. 25 on 214 million. So take a look at Turbo. We saw a nice pump after Mr. Donald Trump won the election. So what I'm expecting here, we have a nice 5-wave move off the low, and we've had a wave 2 pullback. So this is what it looks like. Wave 1 to the upside, bada bing, that's the wave 2, almost bounced right off the golden ratio, and now you're going to look to push up in a 3, 4, 5. We are currently in a turbo trade, which I gave in the Discord. It never got stopped out. Now we pushed back up towards the entry, so I do think there's a good chance we're going to put in an inverse head and shoulders just like this, and then bounce and see continuation back to the upside. If we roll over, we break this low, then this is a wave A, that's a B, that's a wave C before pushing up. But as of right now, I think there's a decent chance that the market can continue back to the upside. So we just see a little bit of pullback correction before continuation, but we'll have to see how it plays out. Anything can happen in the crypto market. So to measure the wave 3, oh shit, I gotta plug in my, I'm gonna have to film this quick. My laptop's gonna die. Measure the wave 3, bottom of wave 1, all the way up to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. And that will take your wave 3 target all the way up to 0.023. Wow, that would be incredible, guys. That would take us all the way up to 0.023 to 2 cents. That's absolutely scrum-diddly-umptious. Turbo is my largest meme coin bag, so I'll be quite happy to see that. And that will complete that larger wave 3 to the upside. Let me just double check that so I'm not incorrect. Yeah, wave 1 up, wave 2, boom, 3, 4, 5, wave 3. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Turbo. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades, on your fees. And you can join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trades. We're in that Turbo trade. And my Forex trade signals as well. We just locked it in on gold yesterday. All links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.